Hey everyone, how are you today? My name is Alvi Samar. In this video, I will explain about tropical rainforest. The ecosystem of tropical rainforest is an ecological system of a large region dominated by a cluster of tall trees. Rain lies the diversity of species that form in tropical climate with high rainfall and humid temperature. The first layer of tropical rainforest is generally unicontial trees with little branch arrangement. The next layer third is the main canopy, which consists of a slender tree with a height of about 100 feet or 13 to 14 meters. Another feature of tropical rainforests is that they have high air humidity. Soil from a tropical rainforest provides an abundant supply of water. Hence, the high humidity level is due to the amount of moisture that comes from the leaf evaporate into the atmosphere. Still, tropical rainforests are characterized. Tropical rainforests have the ability to repair some damage, such as falling trees in the wind. When a tree falls, the forest will automatically open its header and sunlight will reach the forest floor. This would affect the growth of forest shrubs and saplings. To mention the animal and plants that live in tropical rainforests, there is no doubt and that variety. Animals that live in tropical rainforests are mammals, reptiles, amphibians, and insects. The characteristics of animals that live in rainforests are generally brightly colored and have certain patterns. Moreover, the animal ate the fruit and made a loud noise. There are also carnivores that live in the rainforest ecosystem. Their presence is an ecosystem counterbalance. Examples of animals that live in the rainforest ecosystem are such kinds of birds as casuan and fui. In addition, there are various insects like butterfly and ladybird. There are also various kinds of primata, snake, elephant, gorilla, deer pigs, tiger, tapir, frog, and others. Meanwhile, more than 205,000 plant species are hide. The type of tropical rainforest in Indonesia is to have a closed cycle of hara, which can overcome the inner obstacle. Another unique feature of tropical rainforest is their ecosystem, fragile ecosystem. That is because each component within it cannot stand alone, it is all connected. That's it from me. I will see you in the next video. Dah.